What do you do when your husband remodels your whole floor? You bake his favorite cookie. Here's a recipe you need to try. You guys, I am making peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. It's an excellent recipe, so stay tuned. But before we begin, I would like to say a quick prayer. Holy Father, help us to be mindful of your presence today. Speak to our hearts with wisdom and understanding. You are our strength, and I will lift you up so that others may come to know you, the saving grace that only you can give. May your name be praised forever. In Jesus Christ's name, amen. Amen. Good morning, everybody. We are at Sam's. We're picking up some more flooring today. And also, y'all, it's Daniel's graduation. So we're going to be picking up some flooring from Sam's. We need to pick up some more flooring so he can finish the other rooms in our house. So yeah, we're getting at it. You guys, I am at Sam's. I know I'm picking up flooring, y'all, but they have some beautiful, beautiful stuff. Look at these mirrors. This how this mirror look. This is some beautiful stuff. Look at there. Look at the rugs. Y'all, they have some really, really nice stuff. But y'all, I love this right here. Look at this wine cabinet. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at this wood and all that. And y'all, it's a bar cabinet and it's $5.99. Yes, beautiful. But yeah, let's go get this flooring. But I tell y'all, it's a beautiful day out here today and it's really, really hot. It's like 98 degrees. It is so hot. Now they have mattresses on sale. Whew. Nice day today. But waiting on my husband to pick up the cart. We're going to get some more flooring and finish the rooms in the back of our house, y'all. We found that floor and decor in Sam's have the same wood. Y'all, when I found that out, I rushed out here. Look, y'all, because we spent I think it was like $48 a pack. Look, y'all, $24.98, $19.99. And look, y'all, it's waterproof. This the same flooring that we got at Floor Decor. Unreal. For this price, y'all, I can get 2 boxes for the price of one that I paid for. So yeah, this is what I'm gonna use upstairs in the bedrooms, because we got the laminate hardwood floors up there now, but I am gonna change to a waterproof flooring because that floor been there for about maybe 13 years, and back then they didn't have waterproof flooring. So I am so excited, y'all. So anyway, I love it. Look how thick it is, y'all. Look how thick it is. And then it has its own underlayment. Look, y'all, there go my sweetie. He ready? Stay ready, don't you, baby?
Ready to get that work done.
Oh, God, he finna do that work. All right. You guys, he don't do it yet, but I'm going home. When I get there, I am going to make his favorite cookies. He has been really, really working on our house, our stairs. Y'all, I'm going to show y'all the loft and the hallway areas that he completed like 2 months ago. And now we're working on the back bedrooms. In one of the rooms I was using for my office, which is this one right here. So yeah, you guys, I'm going to bake him some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Y'all, once you try this recipe, you'll make it all the time. They're so delicious. You guys, this is one of the rooms that I was using for my office. Because all of our kids, they're grown and gone. So I start using up the bedrooms. I have my office here, and my son right across the hall have his office. But it's a mess. We're cleaning everything out of here because the floors that were put down 13 years ago, they wasn't waterproof. So if you spill anything, they'll kind of like bead up. So now we have a barn wood that we're putting on the floors. And see, this is the other side of the room, the other side of the hall, where my son, he uses this big room for his office. So what we're going to do is we're going to change all the floors out. Like my husband, he already did the hallway and he did our lounge area, and he's going to be finishing up the stairs. And you guys, I'm just so excited that he's doing the work. You guys, I'm definitely going to let y'all see him work. But you know what? Let's take a break. I'm finna go downstairs and we're going to bake these cookies for him. Hey guys, today I am making everyone's favorite. I hope it's your favorite. I am going to make some peanut butter chocolate chip cookies, and y'all, they are oh so delicious. I'm going to use a little twist with mine. So let me show y'all the ingredients that we're going to have to make these delicious cookies. All right, you guys, this is what I'm using. We have 1 cup of the almond bark. See, it's a chocolate candy coating. Then I have the morsels, which are the real chocolate chips. We're going to use a cup of this, a cup and a half of these, because they're small. Then we're going to be using some baking powder. We're going to use some baking soda. We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of the peanut butter, a creamy peanut butter. We're going to be using 1 stick of butter. We're going to be using 1 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And we're going to be using 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. A teaspoon of this cake batter flavoring. We're also going to be using a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So let's get started, guys. You guys, we're going to use 8 tablespoons of butter and the peanut butter and the sugar. We're going to go ahead and start creaming that. You guys, I am going to have in the description box the recipe. So follow along with me and let's make these cookies. You guys, I love making these cookies. They're so good. And I was thinking about baking some for my son too. That's why I'm gonna make extra so I can give my son some. But y'all, he's doing such a wonderful job upstairs with the floors and stuff, you know. And I just thought about doing something special for him because he loves sweets but he really like cookies. And these cookies are his favorite cookies. He loves like Reese peanut butter cup, but when I make these chocolate chip peanut butter cookies, he really enjoyed them. Y'all, I'm gonna show y'all some of the work that he is doing. He is doing an amazing job. I just thank God for him and the work and the knowledge that he have, because if I had to pay someone to do the work, it would be very, very costly. And out of pocket expense is the materials that we bought. That was kind of on the little expensive side because we have a huge home, and the upstairs is really large. My bedroom by itself is a 20 by 20. It take about 45 boxes just to do the bedroom and the hallway of my bathroom and the closets. So that's a big area. But we just been purchasing the wood over time. We started last year. We did the lounge, the hallways. Now we're working on the bedrooms. When I make these cookies, one thing I like to add is the almond bark, because the almond bark is more like a candy. Y'all, it be so moist inside of these cookies. I'm adding the flour, the baking soda, and the salt and the baking powder now. That's what I'm doing now. And I'm going to blend it all together. You guys, when I add the chocolate chips and the almond bark, it just take these cookies to another level. They are just so good. If you try this recipe, you will see exactly what I'm talking about. I use baking soda and baking powder. I'm putting 2 teaspoons of baking powder in, and I put 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and I'm using the 1 cup of the chocolate chips and 1 cup of the chocolate almond bark. Y'all, you don't need to add any water. You see how everything just come together when you blend it, and they're gonna be so good. Now, after I finish, I am gonna put the cookies in a Ziploc bag, and I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator for about an hour, just to get everything, so the dough can relax a little bit and everything can get cold. Then I'm gonna bring it out and I'm gonna bake it. But you can bake it immediately if you want to go ahead and bake your cookies. It's no right or wrong way. This, I'm just holding off for a little while because I need to go help him bring up some wood upstairs and help him with the floor. Also, guys, if you like this recipe, leave me a comment in the comment section below. You guys, if you like sharing, share your favorite recipe with me, because I would love to try a very good cookie recipe, another one. So if you got a recipe and you feel like sharing, hey, share with me, because I love cooking and baking. All right, guys, we have our wonderful cookies, y'all. We have our cookie dough out the refrigerator. So we're gonna make some of these cookies. I'm gonna get some of this dough out, section it off, roll it up, put it on a pan. All right, y'all, the cookies are ready. The first batch, we're gonna take them out the oven. Let them cook for 12 minutes. Ooh, good cookies. Bake them for 12 minutes on 360 degrees. All right, y'all, it's ready. Second batch is ready. Ooh, ooh. My husband's doing a very good job. And see, this is the flooring that we have. This is the flooring. See, we have these. If y'all can remember from the last video, we did this room in here, which is our gym. We did our gym floor. So yeah, it's waterproof and it holds up really, really well because we have three German shepherds and they bring in a lot of dirt, hair, and everything. So everything's easy to sweep up. But yeah, this floor we did it last year. So in it last we did this whole room. We did the hallways, and we ordered some more of the flooring. We're gonna be doing these rooms. It's my son's room. Uh-oh. See, we did, this is my son's room, so he have this floor. It's nothing wrong with this floor. The thing about it is, it's just not waterproof. See, if you spill something, I don't know if y'all can see that, it kind of like beads up a little bit. But this floor has been down for about 14 years. You guys, my husband in here working on the floors. He took a break because we're going to the movies. Our son has invited us to go to the movies, but this is my office. We took up the old floor. See, it's on the plywood under here. See, we took up the old floor, and he put a vapor barrier down, and we're gonna be using this wood. This wood right here is really, really good, really, really thick. And last year we did the lounge, our gym area with this wood. And see, it has a padding on here also. It's a 14 mm thick wood. Very, very, and it's waterproof. That's what I like, the waterproof. But yeah, you guys, this is the wood that we have. We have our furniture over here. This is the wood that we're using, and it is called barn wood. It's the same wood that we put upstairs in the lounge in our gym area. All right, guys. I hope y'all try our cookie recipe. Y'all see my husband is very hard at work. I am going to help him some. And you guys, I thank y'all for watching. But if you made it this far, please subscribe to our channel because we greatly need the help. And we thank y'all for watching. And on that note, I'll see y'all next time and have a blessed week.